Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline. Today we will be making homemade ginger tea. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into the lab. For this process, we'll be using some fresh organic ginger, some garlic and lime, and some fresh chopped pineapple. Let's get into the process. Our tea is ready to be sipped, guys. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this tea. You can have this every other day or every day depending on your preference. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.